Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to our second Vlogmas video. So right now I am very naked, so I have to keep my camera high up. But I just want to show you guys this. Now I got this from AliExpress. I'm about to use it. I'll let you know how it goes, but it's like a shampoo brush. I'm so hyped. Also, I think I might have finally broken my plateau because my weight is like slowly getting lower. My body fat percentage is slowly getting lower. I just weighed in at 57.6. I'm trying to keep this camera high. 57.6. That is so loud. And I've been sort of like in between 57 and 58 for a while, but I've been consistently at about mid 57s, so I'm pretty stoked. This is my outfit for work today. We're doing a lot of water days this week, like a couple at swimming pools and a couple not, because it's like the end of the term or whatever, so I'm allowed to wear activewear this week. I mean, I probably could wear it normally, but yeah, these are my Vital Seamless bottoms. You guys, summary of my day. Welcome to my cave. Okay guys, so summary of my day. It's not over yet, it's only like, I don't know, like 4 or something. Who knows, I'm not even looking at the time. Got changed into my like get wet clothes, you know, like my togs or whatever. Got wet, got out of my togs, got into my normal clothes, went to the shops, like walked up to the shops that are like, you know, 5 minutes away from school or whatever, 10 minutes away. And then it started to rain and I had to run back in the rain, and then I was saturated, so I was cold, tired and wet. So now I'm at home in bed being a blob. I might have a nap, who really knows. Alright, so I got a second lease on life and thought I'd edit the vlog, and I just wanted to tell you guys that this vlog is super choppy because I had actually planned this morning to vlog at the gym. Like, as in, I don't just mean planned, I mean I vlogged at the gym. But the footage didn't come out the way that I wanted it to. A couple of the exercises, watching it back, I didn't do them right, and I just don't want to be like, hey, you should try this workout when I'm like not doing it correctly. I'm going to try either tomorrow or next week. So I apologize for the choppiness of this vlog. I just wanted to explain that that's why. It's because it was supposed to have a workout in it, but alas, I kind of ruined it, so yes. Right now, this is such a high faux tripod. This is what you're on today, by the way. You're on a bottle of dishwashing detergent and protein. I love me a good makeshift, what's it called? Tripod. Anyway, for dinner tonight we're having schnitzel, and I want to show you guys how I make it. You have been warned, this is not the healthiest meal, but basically just get schnitzel. This is 330 grams. I don't know if you guys can see what I mean, but I will cut out this part because it's really hard, and then probably that. But we've got 4 pieces of schnitzel, so 2 each. You can kind of see the bits that I'll cut out. Sorry if you're vegan, my bad. I'm gonna cut it and then I'll show you once it's cut, because nobody wants to see me like just cutting up some schnitzel. I've got an egg here. I've got my schnitzel here. You guys can see how pathetic this is. And this is still like, these are really hard pieces of fat, but if I cut them out, I'd have no schnitzel. Normally I'd be more like ruthless, but I actually can't. Panko breadcrumbs are the key here. By the way, if you can see a fly in here, I know I've got my fly swat. He has escaped me, but I'm ready to destroy him. Anyway, got this, got the egg, and then I just need a little bit of flour to dust it in first. So I do the whole like flour, egg, panko. If you guys have seen any of my cooking, you know that onion flakes, garlic salt, and Italian herbs are a must. So I'm just gonna start, and hopefully you guys can see. This is my portion, you guys, a little bit smaller than Corpu's, but yeah, yum. So I've had dinner, had dessert, which was some marshmallows, and I thought I would end the vlog here. My plans, cool, just on Tupperware. My plans for this evening are just to relax and watch some YouTube, because there's so many YouTube videos from like the creators that I'm subscribed to at the moment, obviously because it's Vlogmas. And yeah, I hope you guys are having a really good night. If you enjoyed this vlog, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions that you'd like me to answer or stuff to talk about in these vlogs, don't forget to let me know down below. I love you guys, and I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye!